Welcome to the middle of my day. Welcome, people. Thanks for showing up out here in the sun across the wonderful young land. This is full of weeds, and I'm full of hope in my heart. So welcome to sneezing in the middle of the workday. I hope you're having a great day. Come to this channel if you want more sneezes, if you want more love, if you want more hope in your life. You will feel the hope emanating from my life to you through the camera. People, I love you so much. You look so good. It's so beautiful just to stare at you in the middle of the day. And you look bright. And no, I'm not mistaking you for the sun. You are amazing, people. Bye.